Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to be doing practical electricity question 12, paper 2, 5054. Let's start. Question 12. The AC mains electricity system in a house consists of three wires: the live wire, the neutral wire, and the earth wire as usual. State what is the purpose of the live wire. The purpose of the live wire is to provide voltage to the system. So it supplies the main EMF voltage. और ये न्यूट्रल वायर का भी पूछ रहे हैं. इट इज टू कंप्लीट द सर्किट. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. आगे चलते हैं. Each circuit in the house includes a fuse for protection. So fuse acts as a safety mechanism for when the things start to get out of control. An electrical appliance is switched on and the current in the fuse becomes greater than the rating of the fuse. For example, अगर 5 है उसका नाम क्या है amperes, the rating of the fuse, the current becomes 6 amperes. And when the current becomes 6 amperes, what will happen is, क्या होगा current becomes 6 amperes? It will start to detect something unusual. और जब जो fuse होता है, it starts to detect something unusual, which is a unusually high current. It starts to melt or it blows up. ठीक है ना? That is how the fuse protects us. So that is what is gonna happen. The circuit supplies got broken or the current stops, fuse melts and burns. So fuse क्या करता है? It separates the whole circuit and the power has been cut off. Stops current. ठीक है ना? State and explain in which of the three wires the fuse is located. अच्छा, सारी जो चीजें होती है ना, the main things like the switch, the circuit breaker or the fuse, they will be connected in the live wire because that is where most of the, not most of the, like all of the voltage is passing through initially, right? So what will happen is all of the switches, the circuit breakers, the fuses will be connected in the live wire. And that is only for the reason because अगर for example यहाँ से high voltage आ रही है and here is a fuse and the fuse blows, right? The fuse blows and it will disconnect all the circuit and it will disconnect the wire. ठीक है ना? So that is because that is the reason. Live wire, when it cuts, the circuit melts. No parts of the appliance is live. No shock. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल खुदा खास्ता कोई आ जाती है, खराबी आ जाती है आपके फॉर एग्जाम्पल वॉशिंग मशीन में, तो अगर लाइव वायर के अंदर द फ्यूज इज नॉट मेल्टेड और लाइव वायर के अंदर फ्यूज है ही नहीं, राइट? अगर न्यूट्रल वायर के थ्रू तो कोई वोल्टेज पास ही नहीं करी बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम द लाइव वायर टू द अर्थ वायर, राइट? न्यूट्रल वायर की तरफ कोई वोल्टेज जा ही नहीं रही है. सो खुदा ना खास्ता अभी भी आपका जो वो है, व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, फॉर एग्जांपल वॉशिंग मशीन इट इज लाइव और कोई बंदा आके या आपका कोई घर वाला आके खुदा ना खास्ता किसी मेटालिक पार्ट को, किसी लाइव पार्ट को, किसी इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज पार्ट को हाथ लगा लेता है, तो उसको तो करंट पड़ेगा, राइट? सो दैट इज बिकॉज that is the reason why the fuse is located at the live wire. It will cut off the circuit, melts, no part of the appliance is not live anymore. So that is question 12. We're going to be moving to question 13. So question 13 is fairly small. एक ही छोटा सा part है. A battery charger has a plastic casing and double insulation. The battery charger is not earthed. It is not earthed. Explain why it is not necessary for the battery charger to be earthed because of the fact that it is double insulated. And when something is double insulated, it will not be in need of any earthing. ठीक है ना? As simple as that. Plastic casing in an insulator, no shock possible. तो बाहर की जो भी केसिंग है ना, दैट विल आल्सो बी प्लास्टिक, और अंदर की जो वायरिंग है या अंदर के कंपोनेंट्स हैं दैट विल आल्सो बी प्लास्टिक. ठीक है ना? So अगर डबल प्लास्टिक चढ़ा हो तो there is no possible way of you getting shocked. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz. And that is going to be it for this chapter. So no more practical electricity except for P1 of course. So yeah, bye.